Hello everyone, today we are going to see about liver cancer. Liver cancer is also known as hepatic cancer. Hepatic means liver, cancer means uncontrolled proliferation of liver cells which is called as hepatocytes. Here is the image of liver cancer. There are four types of liver cancer. The first one is cholangiocarcinoma, the malignant tumor that develops from the bile duct. Liver is producing bile which is helpful for the digestion. Through the bile duct, it will travel from liver to the gallbladder for storage. The bile duct is the tube-like structure which carries bile from the liver to the gallbladder. If the tumor occurs in bile duct means it is called as cholangiocarcinoma. Next is hepatoblastoma. It is a rare malignant tumor primarily affecting the children. Early diagnosis will helpful for the treatment. Here are the different images of liver cancer. Next is angiosarcoma. Angio means blood vessel, sarcoma means broad category of cancer. The patient is having blood vessels cells abnormal proliferation means it will lead to angiosarcoma. Next is metastatic liver tumors. These tumors originate from the cancers in other parts of the body. Then it will spread to the liver. Common primary cancer sites are colon, breast, lung and pancreas. Next is pathogenesis, how the liver cancer occurs. Initially it will start from chronic inflammation. Persistent liver damage will lead to oxidative stress and DNA damage of the hepatocytes. Next is fibrosis and cirrhosis. Repeated injury results in scar tissue formation. The liver will be replaced by the fibrous connective tissue. It will lead to the scarring that is called as fibrosis. Initial scarring is called as fibrosis. If we are not treating the fibrosis means it will lead to progressive scarring called as cirrhosis. Next is dysplasia and malignant transformation also lead to the malignant tumors. Clinical presentation, patient will have abdominal pain or discomfort, especially right upper quadrant. This is the region where liver is located. Next is unexplained weight loss and fatigue. Due to liver cancer, patient will have indigestion problems and also loss of appetite. It will lead to unexplained weight loss and fatigue. And liver cancer will also leads to jaundice, yellowing of skin and eyes. Next is hepatomegaly, chronic inflammation, scar tissue formation and abnormal growth of cells will lead to increasing the size of liver, that is called as hepatomegaly or mass in the abdomen. In progressive stages of cancer, patient will have liver failure or ascites in advanced diseases. Next is causes. The major causes chronic hepatitis B and C infections which is caused by hepatitis B and C virus, and also hepatitis D virus also plays a major role in this liver cancer. Next is cirrhosis from any cause due to alcoholic or genetic or autoimmune leads to progressive scarring of the liver tissue. Next is aflatoxin B1 toxin, which is a toxin substance secreted by a specific type of fungus. Chronic exposure to this particular toxin leads to liver cancer. Next is metabolic conditions such as obesity and diabetes also plays a major role in this liver cancer. Next is diagnosis. Initially we will do imaging, ultrasound, contrast enhanced CT or MRI to visualize the liver imaging and liver cancer. Next is blood test, elevated alpha ferroprotein, LFT and viral serologies. Abnormal values will indicate the liver cancer and inflammation. Biopsy to rule out the liver cancer. Here is the images of different types of diagnosis methods. Next is management. There are two major management for this particular condition. The one is liver resection, hepatectomy. Hepatic means liver, ectomy means removal. In this procedure, we are removing cancerous portion of the liver and also small amount of surrounding healthy tissue, because in future the cancer will develop in the surrounding healthy tissues also. And there are two techniques. The one is open surgery, the another one is minimally invasive technique. In open surgery, surgeon will create a large incision in the abdomen to visualize the liver cancer to remove it. In minimally invasive technique, the surgeon will use laparoscopic technique, will create 3 ports in the abdomen to visualize the liver and to remove the liver cancer. Here is the image of liver resection. Anatomically, liver is divided into 8 segments and 2 lobes. The one is the right lobe and the left lobe. Based on the patient condition, the surgeon will decide the surgery technique. There are two types of resection. The one is small wedge of tissue. If the patient is having liver cancer in particular small tissue, means the surgeon will remove the small wedge of tissue. Next is segment of the liver. If the patient is having liver cancer in the particular segment, means the surgeon will remove the segment. If the patient is having cancer in entire lobe, either right or left, the surgeon will perform lobectomy. Ectomy means removal, lobe means liver lobe. In lobectomy, surgeon will remove either right lobe or left lobe. Next is liver transplant. This is the another major surgical technique. In this procedure, surgeon will remove the entire diseased liver and will replace it with the healthy liver from the donor. There are two types of liver transplantation. The one is diseased donor liver transplantation. The patient is suffering from brain death or other health conditions, but he or she is having a healthy liver, means the surgeon will remove the healthy liver from the deceased patient and replace it with the diseased liver. The next one is living donor liver transplantation. In this type of liver transplantation, surgeon will remove the portion of a liver from a living donor, healthy donor, to the deceased patient for replacing it. Thank you.